If you have a keypad for a LiftMaster jackshaft opener and want to change the keypad pin without erasing all of the codes for all your other remotes or other wireless devices, here's how to do so in a few simple steps. First, I'm going to open the keypad. Now my keypad is programmed with the code 1111 and I want to change it to 2222. So what I'll first do is enter my existing pin, which is 1111, and then I'm going to press and hold the pound button, and that's going to flash rapidly, and as soon as I let go it's going to flash a little slower. And now I'm going to press 2222, which is my new code, and I'm going to press and hold enter. It's going to flash rapid, then I let go and it's going to flash slow. That's it, now it's changed. So to test it, we're going to go 2222, press and hold enter, and now the door comes down. And you'll see now 1111 won't work anymore, whereas before it would. And that's all there is to it. If you have any problems with your garage door or garage door opener, please contact us today. We can help.